Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to review the BMW X1, and this is a 2015 model, and this is the key, a very good looking key, and you get nice chrome treatments and a BMW logo in the center and a basic functions on it. Let's straight away unlock this car, and as you can see it's the second generation model which was launched in 2015. That's the famous kidney grille of BMW and the BMW logo in the center on the hood. Let's straight away open it, and you get hydraulic studs in this car, and that's the 2-liter 4-cylinder CRDI turbocharged diesel engine which produces 184 bhp of power and 380 Nm of torque. This car gives you an average of 18 to 19 km per liter, and the top speed is 205 km an hour. Those are the automatic LED headlamps with DRLs, projector and cornering lamp, and you get a nice eyebrow like finish turn indicators on this. It looks very nice. And those are the front fog lamp of this car and air intake vents on the bumper. That's a kidney grille finished in chrome, nice chrome treatment on it. And this car was offered in 7 color variants. One was the white, blue, midnight blue, black, silver, orange and brown. And BMW had offered this car in 3 variants: the S Drive, X Drive and the M Sports. This is the S Drive 20D, and those are the 17-inch alloy wheels with BMW logo in the center, and the tire size is 225/55 R17 tubeless radial tire, and you get ventilated disc at the front and the rear. That's the S Drive 20D badging on the side door. Those are the outside rear view mirrors with turn indicators and finished in body color. Let's open this door, and that's how the co-driver door looks like. It's finished in beige and black. You get, those are the door pockets, speakers, a chrome inside door handle and piano black finish, and that's to lock and unlock the door. Nice leather finish as well, and BMW scuff plate in matte black, and you get six-way power adjustable seat for the co-driver as well. Let's close it. And this car has a total length of 4,477 mm. That's the shark fin antenna, and those are the roof rails. This car has a ground clearance of 179 mm and total height of 1545 mm. That's how it looks from the rear. It's a very good looking car. And let's open the boot. You have to open it manually. It does not open by the key. You don't get an electronic boot. That's the X1 badging and LED tail lamp. These are the fog lamps, parking sensor on the bumper, exhaust pipe, and you get double joint suspension at the front and multi-arm suspension at the rear. Wipers, rear wipers, defogger, high mounted stop lamps. And let's straight away open the that's the boot, and you get a 420 liters of boot space in this car. It's a decent sized boot, and that's where the spare wheel is placed. You don't get a full size spare wheel, and it's not even an alloy. You get a simple steel wheel. That's the power charging socket in this car. In the boot, a small hook and a reading lamp, and this seat split in 60/40 ratio to increase the boot space, and that's a manual. So that's something, the triangle, what's that called, I forgot it. Let's close the boot. And BMW logo. This car has a wheelbase of 2760 mm, LED tail lamps which looks fabulous, and the total length of this the height is of 1545 mm, and in one click the fuel lid opens, and you get a 61 liter of fuel tank which is mounted in center of this car, center mounted tank. And that's how the passenger side door looks like. It's finished in black and beige. Door pockets, power window control, speaker, inside chrome door handle, piano black finish and some leather finish. And that's how the interior looks like of the BMW X1. It's finished in beige and you get 3 headrests, and that's the plate, and it's nice leather wrapped, and center armrest with 2 cup holders. Let's close it, and some storage as well. Let's close it. You get 2 ISO child seat mountings in this car for safety, and that's the grab handle. Yeah, the light. Oh yeah, that's the grab handle and a small hook. And in safety features, you get 6 airbags, ABS, brake assist, central lock system, side and front impact beams, and traction control, vehicle stability control, and crash sensors and EBD. That's the 2 AC vents for the rear passengers. You can adjust it as well, and the charging socket. That's the magazine holder, and you get nice scooped out seat, and there's a good plenty amount of leg room in this car and decent amount of thigh support. And that's how the dashboard looks like of the BMW X1. It's finished in beige, black and piano black finish. It's a very attractive looking dashboard. And that's the reading lamp, and seat belts for the third passenger. Let's move on to the driver's side door. Let's close it. Let's open the driver's side door, and that's how it looks. It's kind of similar, and some storage, all automatic power windows. In one touch it rolls all the way down. All the window has that feature, but manual it does not rolls up all the way up automatically. And those are the outside rear view mirror controls to retract and adjust the mirror according to your preference. You can control it from here. Speaker, lock and unlock. And that's how the driver side and co-driver side seat looks like. It's finished in beige, and that's the 6-way power adjustable seats, and you also get 2 memory seats, and that's how you can recline and move it front and back and set the memory seats. It's a nice feature. And those are the pedals, accelerator and brake, and a dead pedal. And to open the hood, BMW scuff plate in matte black, tire pressure monitoring sticker, and that's some storage. Headlight controls, automatic headlights and leveler as well. That's the instrumental cluster with speedometer and tachometer and MID display with parking with gear position indicator and warning lights. BMW logo on the steering wheel. That's the speed limiter and infotainment control and voice command buttons on the right. That's the wiper controls. You get rain sensing wipers in this car, and that's the headlight control and the start and stop button. And you also get tilt and telescopic steering wheel in this car, so you can adjust it according to your preference of driving. It's a nice feature. And that's the electronic parking brake. You don't get a manual handbrake, it's all electronic in this car. And that's the control for the infotainment system. That's the 5.8 meters of infotainment screen, and it's not a touch screen, and it supports USB, aux, Bluetooth, radio, and you get a 4 speaker setup. That's a multimedia, radio, telephone, contact. You can control it from here. Connect, drive, vehicle information, settings, and that's the AC vents, and a small perfume. That's the perfume from BMW. Hazard light button, and that's a nice piano black finish. For the AC controls, you get dual climate AC control and infotainment controls. That's a cool glove box with small light. It's a decent size glove box. Sorry. And sun visor with vanity mirrors. You don't get any light. In such an expensive car, you don't get a light. That's the reading lamp for the driver and co-driver. You can switch it on from here. Yeah, that's how it turns on. Off it. That's the sun visor for driver with a small mirror. No ticket holder and grab handle. That's the buttons for sports, eco pro, and to off the vehicle stability control. Some storage, nice touch. You get 2 cup holder. That's the ashtray and some storage. And that's a 8-speed gearbox, automatic gearbox of BMW X1. You get a small switch for gear shifting. You just have to press it and shift the gears. Currently it's on park. Reverse, neutral, drive, and yeah, that's drive. And sports mode, you can use it in manual mode also. That's the manual mode. Once you switch it to sports, you can shift gears manually. That's the center armrest with storage, and you can even move the center armrest all the way to the back, and you get some more storage over here, and aux port and USB port and charging socket over here. This car has lots of piano black finish, which gives it a nice premium touch. And you don't get a reverse parking camera in this car, you just get sensors. So that's all about the interior of the BMW X1. So let me just go out and give you a small walk around video of the BMW X1. That's headlamps. Yeah, so that's all about the BMW X1. So please do like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.